this is probably my most favorite time of the year. We're ending one year. We're about to start a new year. I'm an anticipation junkie, which means I dearly love making new plans, fresh starts, new goals, new dreams, new everything. You just clean the slate from the year before, good, bad, or indifferent. Just clean it off, start a new year, and go again. It's like there's new hope. But before I get started into all that, which I'm about to do, it is December 28th, so it's time. But before I do that, before I kind of dive in to me and start making those goals and dreaming those dreams, I want to take 1 minute and just thank you. I want to thank everyone who subscribed this year. I want to thank everyone who watched a video this year, who left a comment. I just thank you for taking a second out of your day and spending it with me. I enjoy reading comments. I enjoy the interaction, and I hope to do more of it in 2023. But anyway, I do want to thank you all. I want to wish you all a very happy new year, and I hope, is there anyone else out there that is like-minded to me, or thinks somewhat like I do, as far as, you've always heard the old saying that there are people will say, I'm an adrenaline junkie. Well, that's not me. I don't thrive on adrenaline, but I thrive on anticipation. And this time of year, I am full of anticipation. I love to dream the dreams, make the plans, make my planners, lay it all out, check, check, check. But anyway, that is the time of year it is. That is the current mood and mode that I'm in. I'm excited about it. I'm happy about it. I'm thinking about, what do I want to plant in my garden this year? What do I want to preserve this year? How do I want to invest in my family this year? How do I invest in my community this year? Am I doing the things that are worth doing? What's the old saying? And I won't quote it exactly. There's no bigger waste of time than spending all your time doing things that don't need doing at all. So I want the things that I do. I want the time that I trade off to be productive in the things that matter. But anyway, all that said, that's where I am. That's what I'm doing. I'm so excited. I'm about to go upstairs and start creating my plan books for January. But like I said, I did want to take time and wish you all a happy new year. And once again, thank you for just spending a bit of your day with me this year. And I hope we can do more of it in 2023. See you next time.